Hi, folks. I'm ready with another topic. Understanding is equal to happiness. Yes, understanding is the main factor, it's the root cause of your happiness. If you really want to be happy, start understanding the other personality or yourself first. Are you getting me? Whatsoever the situation, whosoever the person may be, first try to understand and then respond or react. It's your wish, because there is no rule as such that you always have to respond to all of these things. Reaction is also required, because for a smooth, cool, beautiful life, all things are very much required. Salt, pepper, mirchi powder, everything is required. You can't deny one thing. You can't add sweet to every recipe. Are you getting me? So similar is the case with everything as well. You can react or respond according to the situation, circumstance, or according to the person. That's all a different story altogether. But first and foremost thing, what you have to do is understand. It takes time. When you see a thing, you can't understand. When you talk about a thing, you can't understand. Which is why don't immediately react for everything and anything. Just sit back, take time, try to understand. After giving some time thinking about that, even then when you feel the situation is not so good, it is chaotic, then you have to think about it, you have to think about the person, you have to think about the situation, you have to think about everything. Are you getting me? So half of the chaos, half of the fights, half of the unhappiness, everything gets you know gets away when you just try to understand. Try. It's just a matter of trial, right? Just try. Whether you do it or not, it's a different story. First, try. Because when you understand, this has to come from yourself. Because when you try to understand yourself, you will understand what exactly the situation is in and around you, what kind of an action you have to take, and what is the consequence out of it, and then so on and so forth. And similarly, when you talk to other person, when you try to understand, immediately when somebody says something, we come up with a rejection, or we come with a denial phase, or we come up saying, I know everything, I know this, I know that. It's okay. When the conversation is not so good, you can stop the conversation. But why don't you give time to understand something? Why are you going for a judgment? So understanding is a basic thing. Are you getting me? When you try to understand this judgments, or else the negativity, or else talking about something in a complete negative way, even without knowing what exactly is the reality over there. Are you getting me? Most of the persons talk about other persons as if they know them completely. Nobody knows about the other person completely. You don't know about yourself. How can you know about the other person? How can you completely estimate the other person's traits or whatsoever? Are you getting me? So don't judge. These judgments will never ever be happy. Why? Because this becomes a vicious circle. Let's say you judge somebody, he or she is gonna judge someone, then the other, finally it comes to you. Are you getting me? So everywhere nobody will be happy. The unhappiness goes and comes back to you at some point of the time or the other. So this nowhere gives you happiness. Are you getting me? So let's say understand. When you understand, you talk about your opinion, so they talk about their opinion, and then the sharing of opinion goes on and on and on. It comes back to you as an opinion. You take it. It's just a matter of opinion, right? So that is neutral or happy. It's no negativity. Are you getting me? Because opinions, whether you like it or not, there can be difference of opinions. Your opinion might be one thing, the other person's opinion might be other thing. There is no space for fight. But when you judge, there comes a space for fight, there comes a space for negativity. So understand. Understanding is the prime factor. Understanding is the root cause of everything. Well, what is understanding? Are you getting me? The ability to understand the intention of the other person or the situation. Are you getting me? So, ability to understand the intention. Well, we can't completely say the intention of the other person, but we try. Are you getting me? So there comes sympathy, empathy, compassion, all of these things, being in the shoes of other and trying to understand what exactly it is. Well, this takes time and this gives you happiness. Try this out and tell me how this works. Bye bye for today. That's all for now.